Hey guys, and welcome to Draw with Marina. Today I'm going to be reviewing this little gadget called the foldable mobile phone holder. So I was using this crazy setup to record all of my drawing videos, and yes, that's a DSLR tripod with a ring light and gooseneck attachment for the iPhone and some random work light I found underneath my husband's desk. And yes guys, that's a piece of toilet paper to prevent the gooseneck clip from scratching my $350 tripod. And I couldn't even use the ring light because it casted an awful reflection onto my iPad. So off I go, mentally hunting for a new setup, and Instagram has reached next level infiltration because now it was reading my mind and sending me ads for overhead camera tripods when I never even typed it into any type of search, nor discussed my plans of buying a new one casually over dinner. So then this overhead tripod shown to me was pretty sleek and modern in the Instagram ad, and I found it on this website for sale for $82.99. And then I decided to look elsewhere and found it at Walmart for $35.99, okay. And then on Amazon for $49.99. And then this website for a whopping $162. I figured then I must go to Alibaba and see what the real price is. And of course, it's $18.99 per unit. But seeing I don't want to spend $180 on their minimum 10 unit order, I got it off Amazon because I wanted next day delivery. Thank you, Prime. So with all that said, here is my review for this little, which is a foldable mobile holder. Foldable mobile phone holder. The box it came in has a bit of weight and has very minimal packaging. It comes with a charging cord, a couple of instruction notes, and the unit itself. The unit measures 8.27 inches in length, 3.15 inches in width, and 2.4 inches in depth. Slide out to open. Then take the arm and twist the white base to tighten. Then pull up to extend the arm, which goes to a maximum of 38.9 inches. Yes guys, that's pretty tall. Here you can see it on the floor, and you can see it goes way past my desk. To mount your phone, just open the flaps and slide out to mount your phone. And it swivels in 8 different positions. The phone mount itself also swivels, enabling you to film in portrait or landscape mode. The remote control easily slides out from the base and controls the many different lighting options ranging from cool to warm light, as well as different levels of brightness for both the top and the bottom light. It can pair with your phone via Bluetooth. You can quickly start your camera with the button rather than finagling with your phone while it's mounted. To use as an overhead setup, this point will let you fold the arm. I'm using an iPhone 13 Pro Max and it has no issues fitting into the mount. My OtterBox case also fits too, however the pop socket feature doesn't fit too well. Make sure that your phone is situated at the top and not the bottom, because obviously the weight of the phone will make it topple if you put it underneath. So sorry guys, some people left bad reviews when really they just couldn't read the instructions. My main concern was that while filming, the edge of the base would be visible, and I can assure you after testing it's not. Sorry guys, if you're using this as an overhead tripod to film drawing videos on an iPad, you're out of luck because you can see the light reflected on the iPad. But for me, it's no biggie because my desk is right beside a window. Overall, this is an awesome product. The sleek and modern design is space-saving and it performs really well and very functional. I'm sure I'm going to be using it for years to come. To get notified of more new videos where I teach you to draw, be sure to subscribe.